What if I told you there's a whole world of tools out there waiting to make your life easier, more efficient, and downright enjoyable? Picture this. You're knee-deep in a DIY project, or maybe you're a professional looking to up your game. Suddenly, you stumble upon a gadget that seems straight out of a handyman's dream. Intrigued? Well, get ready to be wowed because today we're unveiling not just one, but 10 ingenious tools that are set to redefine the way you tackle tasks. From revolutionizing landscaping to simplifying electrical diagnostics, these tools are more than just gadgets. They're game changers. So, buckle up and prepare to dive into a world where innovation meets practicality. Number 1. Battery-powered wheelbarrow. Say hello to the future of heavy lifting. The battery-powered wheelbarrow. This robust and versatile tool isn't just your average wheelbarrow. It's a game changer for tackling heavy-duty tasks with ease. With a maximum load capacity of 300 kilograms on flat ground and 180 kilograms on slopes, it's designed to handle whatever you throw at it. But that's not all. Its electric lift feature takes the strain out of loading and unloading by effortlessly raising the flat frame to a height of 120 mm. Plus, with its four-wheel design and front-wheel drive system, you can count on stable load carrying and precise maneuvering, even in challenging terrain conditions. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is guaranteed to revolutionize the way you work. Number 2. Cam-A-Line Dowel Guide. Woodworking aficionados, prepare to be amazed by the Cam-A-Line Dowel Guide, a game-changing tool that elevates precision to an art form. Gone are the days of trial and error. With this marvel of engineering, creating flawless dowel joints is a breeze. Its versatility knows no bounds, allowing you to customize spacing and effortlessly align your workpieces with precision-engraved center lines. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this tool is guaranteed to take your projects to new heights. Plus, with its sturdy fence and flexible stop system, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let the Cam-A-Line Dowel Guide transform your woodworking dreams into reality. Number 3. Circuit Analyzer. Electrical gremlins, meet your match, the Circuit Analyzer. This powerhouse of a tool is your ticket to hassle-free diagnostics and peace of mind. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with its intuitive interface and comprehensive features. Whether you're tackling AFCI, GFCI, or voltage drop issues, this tool has you covered. With its large color LCD display and easy-to-read results, identifying wiring faults has never been easier. Plus, with its inspection capabilities for AFCI and GFCI devices, you can rest assured knowing your electrical systems are up to code. Number 4. FastenMaster Deck Frame Coating. Let's delve deeper into the marvel that is the FastenMaster Deck Frame Coating. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill protective coating, it's a revolutionary solution designed to safeguard your deck from the elements. Imagine a product that not only creates a protective moisture barrier, but also does so with lightning speed. With its quick-drying formula, you can say hello to efficiency and goodbye to long wait times. But what truly sets this coating apart is its versatility. Whether you're coating large expanses or tackling hard-to-reach areas, this product delivers consistent results every time. And let's not forget about cleanup. With its easy-to-clean formula, maintaining your deck has never been easier. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use solution for protecting your outdoor space, look no further than the FastenMaster Deck Frame Coating. Number 5. Heat Inductor Kit. When it comes to loosening seized or corroded metal components, accept no substitutes. The Heat Inductor Kit is the tool for the job. This flameless handheld induction heating solution is a game changer for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone else who's faced with stubborn nuts and bolts. With its 6 different sized heat inductor coils, you can precisely apply heat to specific areas, minimizing the risk of damage to surrounding components. But that's not all. Its new model features a removable pistol grip handle, allowing for straight-on use in hard-to-reach areas. So, go ahead, tackle those tough jobs with confidence, and let the Heat Inductor Kit make quick work of even the most stubborn fasteners. Number 6. Kreg Portable Work Surface. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or a DIY aficionado, the Kreg Portable Work Surface is a game changer for any project. Crafted from ultra-flat medium-density fiberboard, this compact yet versatile surface adds convenience and adaptability to any workspace. Its GripMax anti-slip cords ensure enhanced material holding capabilities, providing stability essential for intricate projects. Plus, with its precision machined 3-4-inch dog holes, securing materials has never been easier. But that's not all. Its 4-inch leveling feet ensure increased clearance for clamping and cutting operations, making it the perfect companion for any task. Number 7. M18 Fuel Blower. Maintaining your outdoor space just got a whole lot easier thanks to the M18 Fuel Blower. With its powerful motor and lightweight design, tackling leaves and debris is a breeze. Say goodbye to noisy, cumbersome blowers and hello to quiet, efficient cleanup. Plus, with its variable speed control, you can customize your cleaning experience for maximum effectiveness. Number 8. Profile Connecting Pliers. When it comes to crimping metal profiles, accept no substitutes. The Profile Connecting Pliers are in a league of their own. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and engineered for optimal leverage, these pliers are the epitome of reliability and durability. With their effortless crimping action and ability to securely connect C and U metal profiles, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. So go ahead, invest in quality, and let the Profile Connecting Pliers elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Number 9. Stick Vacuum. Now let's talk about a household essential that's anything but ordinary, the stick vacuum. This isn't just your average vacuum cleaner. It's a versatile cleaning tool that's designed to make your life easier. Picture this. You're faced with pet hair, dirt, and debris scattered throughout your home, but instead of reaching for a bulky, cumbersome vacuum, you grab your sleek and lightweight stick vacuum with confidence. With its powerful suction and pet-rated design, no mess is too tough to tackle. But what truly sets this vacuum apart is its advanced technology. Thanks to its Wrap Defense roller bar design, you can set yourself free from tangled. Plus, with its compact size and maneuverability, you can easily navigate tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas with ease. Number 10. Water Pressure Washer. When it comes to tackling tough outdoor messes, accept no substitutes. The Power Horse Gas Hot Water Pressure Washer is the ultimate cleaning powerhouse. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime with this beast of a tool. From oil spills to dirty driveways, no mess is too tough for this pressure washer. Say hello to effortless cleaning and goodbye to hours spent scrubbing. With its propane-powered burner and lightweight design, you can tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. Plus, with its durable triplex plunger pump and easy-to-handle design, you can trust this pressure washer to deliver reliable performance time and time again. So, go ahead, unleash the cleaning power of propane, and let the Power Horse Pressure Washer transform your outdoor spaces. And there you have it, 10 brilliant tools that are sure to revolutionize the way you work and play. If you found these gadgets as exciting as we did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tool-centric content. Got any tools you'd love to see us feature next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy chopping!